Hey guys, first of all, I thank to God and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, this video is going to be very fantastic for all of you. Why? Because in this video, I'm just going to explain you what guys look at speak English randomly. Then guys, in this video I will tell you how to speak English randomly. And first of all, I want to tell you what do you mean by this statement. What do you mean by speak English randomly? It means whenever we speak without any pre-plan, or whenever we speak without any schedule in English, this is called speak English randomly. Or whenever we speak on any topic, whichever topic is given to us, and we start speaking in English, it means we can speak English randomly. I hope you must have understood what do you mean by speak English randomly. Then guys, I will also tell you what are the benefits of speaking English randomly. Benefits of this technique. It means whichever subject comes in your mind, or whichever subject pops up in your mind, and you start speaking on that subject, it is called speak English randomly. Without thinking, when we speak in English, it is also called speak English randomly. And now I will tell you what are the benefits of speaking English randomly. Look at guys, what is the first benefit? Habit of speaking on any topic. Habit of speaking on any topic. It means if you speak in English randomly, you know what would be the result? You will be habitual of speaking English on any topic. Overall, as we know, every person has a keen desire to speak out English. And how can you speak out in English? When you speak English randomly, without any preparing, without any schedule. You should speak on any topic. Whichever topic is given to us, if we can express our ideas on that topic, or if we can represent ourselves on that topic, so it is the best way to speak English. And in this way, you can also improve your fluency. So, habit of speaking on any topic. If you speak randomly, so you will be habitual of speaking. It means while sitting, you can speak in English. While thinking, you can speak in English. While standing, you can speak in English. While dancing, you can speak in English. Whatever you do, you can speak in English if you speak English randomly. It is the best and first benefit of speaking English randomly. So guys, I hope you must have kept this benefit in your mind. So start speaking randomly. Don't think whatever topic you are given, just speak out. Like if someone says you speak on computer, so you can start speaking on computer. Okay, computer is a machine, and it is invented by Charles Babbage, and it is the most important gadget at this time. With the help of computer, we can do a lot of work at a time, and computer has solved a lot of problem of human. Can't you? You can. Like I have given you example. I spoke something on computer, so you should also think randomly in English. Next point. What is the second point of speaking randomly? Look at, boost your confidence. You know, it is one of the best benefits of speaking English randomly. You can boost your confidence. You know, if you speak randomly, so you can speak without any fear. You can speak without any hesitation, or you can speak before anybody, because you know you can speak randomly. So what is the fear? There is no fear. There is no any hesitation. There is no any hazards, or you can't stuck. You can't stuck in any point. If you speak randomly, na, you can speak very easily. And if you fumble, no matter, don't worry. I can understand. I can understand. You must be thinking, sir, if we speak randomly, so we may also have a lot of fumbles, or we may fumble while speaking. Don't think about fumbles. Just speak out randomly. Then your confidence must be boost. So it was the second benefit of speaking randomly, isn't it? Okay, guys. So let's move on. Third benefit of speaking randomly. Look at and keep in your mind. You need to speak out. Nobody can hold you back of speaking English if you follow this technique, because it is a universal technique. Whoever speak on any topic, whoever can excuse themselves, they can speak randomly. Be a knowledgeable person. What is the third benefit of speaking randomly? You can become a knowledgeable guy. You can have a lot of wisdom in you. It is also the benefit of speaking randomly. So be a knowledgeable person. While speaking randomly, you can also become a wise guy or a knowledgeable guy. Whatever pop up in your mind and you speak before anybody, so he can appreciate you. They can like the way you speak. They can like the way you express your ideas. They can like the way your communication if you speak randomly. And at the end, they will also say you with guarantee what you are a knowledgeable guy. So it is also the best benefit of speaking randomly. So what I said, without thinking anything, just speak out and speak simple English. Don't try to impress anybody while speaking in English. Try to express your ideas in a simple manner, in a simple way. Can't you? You can. And guys, if you like my videos, so please comment in comment box Jai Mahadev Ji. Comment in comment box Jai Mahadev Ji if you like my videos. So guys, that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. What? Speak English randomly. If you participate in any competition, you can speak randomly, and without informing any topic, you can speak randomly. And in this way, you can speak English anytime. And you should try to implement all these things yourself. You should try to use this technique. If you don't believe me, try to use this technique yourself. And as we know, we have a lot of time. Like, I can understand you are a working guy, you are a student, or you are a very busy guy. I can understand. But you should have some time for you, na? Like, communication plays. Our communication plays very important role in our success. So don't you want to improve your communication? So can't you have some spare time? Can't you have some extra time for your communication? You must have. So please guys, English communication is must compulsory for doing any good work. In good society, you should have good communication, and English is one of them. That's what my message which I want to convey all of you. So guys, now I am ending my video. So keep this point and speak out and speak what? Randomly. That's it for today. Jai Hind.